Hello friends, is your car idling rough, struggling with acceleration, or showing a check engine light? If you've scanned your vehicle and found P0416, don't ignore it. This code is related to the secondary air injection SAI system, specifically switching valve C. If left unresolved, it can lead to poor engine performance, increased emissions, and potential engine damage. In this video I'll explain what P0416 means, its symptoms, exact sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's get started. What is P0416? The P0416 error code stands for Secondary Air Injection System Switching Valve C Circuit Malfunction. The SAI system helps reduce emissions by injecting fresh air into the exhaust system during cold starts. This process assists in burning excess fuel and lowering pollution levels. The switching valve C controls airflow in a specific section of the exhaust system. If the ECU detects an issue in its electrical circuit, it triggers P0416. Common symptoms of P0416: check engine light, cell, on, rough idle, especially during cold starts, reduced acceleration performance, unusual clicking or buzzing noise from the air injection system, and failed emissions test. If you are experiencing these issues, let's locate the key components of the SAI system. Sensor and component locations. Where to find them? The SAI system consists of multiple components, and their locations vary by vehicle model. Here's where to find them. Secondary air pump. Typically located near the front bumper or inside the engine bay, close to the radiator. Air injection switching valve C, found between the secondary air pump and the exhaust manifold, controlling airflow to a specific exhaust section. SAI pressure sensor, usually mounted near the intake manifold or along the air injection hose. SAI relay and fuse, located in the engine bay fuse box. Tip: the exact location may differ depending on your vehicle's make and model. Refer to your service manual for precise details. Faulty switching valve C. The valve may be stuck, shorted, or not opening properly. Broken or corroded wiring. Damaged wires leading to the valve can cause circuit malfunctions. Blown fuse or faulty relay. A damaged fuse or relay can disable the switching valve's operation. Defective SAI pressure sensor. If this sensor fails, the ECU may misinterpret the system's function. Secondary air pump failure. If the pump is not delivering airflow, the switching valve will not function properly. Step 1. Use an OBD-II scanner to confirm the P0416 code and check for related codes. Step 2. Locate switching valve C and inspect it for damage or signs of wear. Step 3. Check the wiring and connectors leading to the valve for damage or corrosion. Repair or replace as needed. Step 4. Test the SAI pressure sensor with a multimeter and replace it if faulty. Step 5. Inspect the SAI relay and fuse in the engine bay. Replace them if necessary. Step 6. Clear the error code using an OBD-II scanner and test drive the vehicle. The P0416 error code can lead to poor engine performance, rough idling, and failed emissions tests if not resolved. If your car has this issue, check the switching valve, inspect the wiring, and test the fuse and relay to restore proper function. For more car troubleshooting guides, check out these videos next. P0120, throttle position sensor circuit malfunction. P0121, throttle position sensor circuit range performance problem. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.